Welcome. Today, we're diving into how to easily share your Roblox profile with friends and fellow gamers. Whether you want to connect with new players or invite friends to join your adventures, sharing your profile is a breeze. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Roblox app. Once you're in, you'll want to find your profile. This is simple. Just tap your username located next to your profile picture at the top of the screen. This will take you straight to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, the fun part begins. Look for the share icon. It's typically represented by a symbol that looks like a box with an arrow coming out of it. Tapping this will allow you to share a QR code. You can let friends scan it directly from their devices. Super convenient. But that's not all. If you prefer a more traditional approach, you can also tap on the option that says Share Profile Link at the bottom of the screen. This creates a link that you can easily copy and paste anywhere, whether it's in a messaging app, social media, or even a game chat. So there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can effortlessly share your Roblox profile with anyone. Get ready to make new friends and enjoy even more exciting gameplay. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Happy gaming!